am in the bank, at the bank. Confused. Many of us are really confused where to use the preposition place on, at, in. Hello everyone, this is DHARA. Video is all about English grammar, preposition of place, where to use on, at, in. In, on, at. These all are the preposition of place. So where and how to use this preposition, we will come to know in this video. So kindly watch this video till the end. A preposition of place is a preposition which is used to refer a place where something or someone is located. At use होता है एक specific जगह बताने के लिए. At is used to specify a specific place, definite place. Example, at the school, at the office, at the bank, at the park, etc. So, at is used to specify a place. The preposition in is used when we talk about an enclosed place. जब भी आप किसी बंद जगह में होते हो, जैसे कि एक कमरा, तो आपको in preposition यूज करना है. Example, in the school, in the library, in the classroom, in the bank, etc. On preposition वहां पे यूज होता है जहां पे कोई भी चीज फ्लैट सरफेस पे होता है एंड हमें उनको स्पेसिफाई करने के लिए ऑन प्रीपोजिशन का यूज करना पड़ता है. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑन द स्ट्रीट यानी कि सड़क पर, या ऑन द टेबल, टेबल के ऊपर, या ऑन द हाईवे, ऑन द सेकेंड फ्लोर, ऑन द थर्ड फ्लोर, एक्सेट्रा. सो ये ध्यान में रखिए ऑन का कहां पे यूज होता है. when something is on the surface of something, on that time we use what? The preposition on. in sentence में an, at, on कहाँ आएगा? कमेंट करके बताइए. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, My DHARA Education, and also share my videos to your friends and families. Keep watching DHARA Education. Bye-bye.